What's up, everybody? Welcome to the show. I'm your host, Hector T, and today we're doing a quick video. I wanted to do a video on tires, these bad boys right here. So, pretty much, as you know, it's springtime. It's coming around the corner. And what we need is to change out our air, because with our tires, it's got winter air in them. And springtime, so we got to start putting in some warm air. So about now is a good time to do so. Now these tires I did just have put on not that long ago, about a month or two ago. So they have cold air in them. So we're going to have to go ahead and let them out. And I have one tip. I got a quick trick for you guys. Is that when you guys go ahead and do it, you can actually save some time with one of these. It's an air compressor for the car that I keep on hand. It's pretty convenient, and it makes the job a lot easier, because instead of going out to the store, because usually you would have to go to the store and you get the cold and warm air cans. Instead, you don't have to do that if you got an air compressor like that. Now I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below, but of course with my car, I just gotta go ahead and turn it to accessories on, because this one, it does plug in. So you just find yourself a little thing there. That's it. Now it is pretty loud, so I'm not gonna do it over the video here. But yeah, so pretty much a quick and easier way to do it is if you have yourself one of these air compressors. Because with this one, as you can see, it's got the vents on the bottom of it. It actually is going to go ahead and pull the air that's the temperature outside. Now right now I live in Florida. It's about 75 degrees. Usually you want to do it between 75 to 80, so that way it gives you warm air. And the reason being is that with warm air, your tire's going to run a lot better, because cold air tires are meant for the winter. Now, of course, with this one, it does have a built-in meter on them, but I like to get one of the little digital meters too. I find these are a lot more accurate than these ones are. But pretty much, quick, simple process. You want to go ahead and find your valve here. You want to take that out and just push that little button, let the air out. Once all the air is out, you're going to go ahead and throw that on. See, I already done it, because it gets warm here a lot faster than other places. So I didn't have to worry about going to the store, picking up a can of warm air. It costs about $5-10 each can, which you got to do each tire. So I got that instead. But yeah, so you want to do that for all 4 tires, front, back. And the reason being is because it's scientifically proven that besides running warm air during the warm temperature season, it's going to be lighter tires. It's also going to go ahead and give you better performance. You'll definitely see a good increase in 5 to 10 horsepower performance running the correct temperature air inside. Same thing with the winter. Winter, if you run the cold air, you'll find that it actually runs a lot better, and it's going to give you more grip in the snow and give you more traction that way, because it's heavier air. So the warm air is lighter, the molecules, they bounce around more. The winter air, the molecules, they stay together more. So yeah, so that's why you want to go ahead and as the climate changes, you want to go ahead and change the temperature of the air inside. And like I said, I'll put a description below if you want to go ahead and get yourself a little portable compressor like that. Runs off the car. It's pretty convenient, especially if you're running low and you're out and about. You know, you just pop that in, fills up your tire really fast. Now, of course, if you have stay flat tires, you don't need to do that, because they already adjust to the temperature. But yeah, you want to just go ahead and make sure that you put all 4 tires to warm air since it's getting warm, so that way it'll give you that increase in performance. You get better gas mileage out of it. You get better horsepower, better all around handling. It's just so much better. But yeah, so it takes a long time. I just wanted to do this quick video because letting the air out takes a while. So, and of course pumping it back up, it takes a while too. Like I said, I just wanted to do this quick video, let you guys know, remind you guys, warm air is coming. You got to change it to the warm air inside your tires because it's just going to be more helpful. Cold air, not so well. Plus, it could run into problems later on down the road. You know, certain kind of things like, you know, if your thread it gets uneven, or you know, you might pop a gasket or something in there. Who knows? So, yeah. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick reminder since the warm air is coming. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below. Like I said, in the links, in the description, I'll put some links for a compressor if you want to get a compressor. Also, go ahead and put a link of my shirt if you want to go ahead and get a shirt for my channel. It helps me a lot. And one more thing, April Fools, guys.